everybody. Today we look at the Worth silicone spray, 500 ml in a can. Silicone spray is ideal to protect plastic and rubber parts. It will give plastic high gloss and it will prevent your rubber parts from going brittle. It has got anti-static properties and will protect electrical parts from moisture. Silicone spray prevents squeaking noises between dissimilar and similar materials. Like for example, between metal and plastic, between metal and metal, and between plastic and plastic. Silicone spray has got a light lubrication application as well, like on your seat rails, as well as on your safety belt rails. Also serves as a perfect installation product, especially when you want to fit a hose and a fitting together. So a lot of times you battle to get the hose over the fitting. With silicone spray, it's so much easier. Spray on the fitting, you spray inside your hose, and there we go, a perfect fit.